Hello everyone and welcome to another Investillionaire special. In this video we'll be giving a quick update about a project that we are super excited about, and that is the Solana project and the SOL token, as well as our price forecast for it. But before we start, like always, we kindly invite you to go ahead and join our growing community and family by smashing the like button, subscribing to the channel, and hitting the notification bell button as well. Now let's go ahead and get started. So last month we created a video explaining about the Solana blockchain technology and our price forecast for it. And at the time of that recording, Solana was on CoinMarketCap. It was around in position 27, I think, or 28 by total market cap. So it was around 4 billion market cap. So if you haven't seen that video, please go ahead and check it out. It's gonna be on the top right hand corner in a card. And at the time the price was around $15. So since then Solana has doubled in value. So the token price right now is sitting at $30.83, which is almost 100% increase within 1 month. And if you have been following the news, you see that over the past couple of days, so yesterday, there was a dip in the cryptocurrency market. So Bitcoin took a hit and all other altcoins took a hit with the 10 to 20% damages. However, Solana was able to maintain its position. So far it has progressed by 5. It has surpassed 5 tokens, now sitting at position 21. And we believe this is just the beginning. We believe that Solana is a project with a huge potential, and now it's hugely undervalued at the moment. So taking a look, let's take a look more into the charts to see how Solana was doing. So taking a look at the charts, we see the market cap right now 8.4 billion and the trading volume of $1.4 billion. We do see the circulating supply of 270 million, and the max supply is still the same, 488 million. So taking a look at the charts here, we do see that the all-time highs was just reached. So we're getting a new all-time high even with the dip in the cryptocurrency market. So about 2 hours ago, the all-time highs was $32.75, and we can see it here. We can see on the charts if we go back to the last 90 days and we go back to the beginning of the month. So here in February, price around $13. Now beginning of March, price was actually $14, and I think we made the video somewhere here. So around the $13 to $15 mark. However, since then it has continued to rise up. The lowest that it gotten was around $12.9, and then it continued to spike up even with the dip that happened yesterday. The price has rebounded. So the price has rebounded, and for good reason. Solana is one of the most important projects that we believe, and the reason for that is the way that they're building their technologies. Their consensus mechanism is totally different. They're doing the proof of history consensus mechanism, and that's allows it to be extremely high performant architecture for this project. So in comparison with other blockchain technologies, so Ethereum, Cardano, all of them, they're still not able to reach the level of speed and throughput that Solana is able to achieve at the moment. So all these things we think are gonna play a massive role in Solana's rise to dominance. So we expect Solana price to easily increase in value, at least 5x from this market cap. So potentially 5x. However, now at the moment they're still missing something on Solana. So that is, if we check on their website, Solana solana.com. We do see that Solana say goodbye to high fees and slow confirmation. So that's the most important thing about Solana, is the very high throughput. So the very high speed of transactions and the confirmations, they're extremely fast in comparison with other blockchain technologies. And another thing to keep in mind is the fees. The fees are really, really low, even with compared with the Binance Smart Chain, which already has low fees. So the fees on the Binance Smart Chain we know are significantly lower than the fees that we're getting on Ethereum. However, with Solana, the fees are even lower. So these factors combined, low fees, high throughput, combination with the technologies that they're building, is gonna potentially push Solana price up higher in the short term. So that's the average transaction fee. It's 0.000. You see, it's negligible, and the block time is extremely fast. You can see the number of transactions, how fast they are. This is extremely crazy, we believe. So a hugely undervalued project. Now the only thing that Solana they need to work on at the moment, I think they just need some time. Right now they're still in going full-fledged development mode, and there are a lot of things that are still not clear. This is blocking the potential users from actually going and developing using this technology. So right now they do have a Solana program library, which is kind of some documentation and guides to help developers get started on their platform. However, we do find that these docs right now are a bit confusing because of the it's still under development, so a lot of the documentation might not actually reflect what is going inside the code. So when people are trying to work things out, they're gonna find a lot of inconsistencies at the moment between the documentation and the source code, and this is just a barrier. We think it's a temporary barrier that's gonna be removed with time. So as Solana continues to progress and mature, we're gonna see a huge boom in the adoption of this technology. So same thing as that's happening with the Binance Smart Chain, making it very easy for people to deploy their smart contracts and applications. The same thing is gonna happen right here with Solana. So this is just a ticking time bomb. It's gonna explode. The price is gonna explode. It's only a matter of time, we believe. Why? Because the underlying technology is solid. It has already proved its value. It has proved that what it can bring to the table. The only thing is missing is how can people actually get started. They need to work more on providing more accessible documentation, demos, and making the process easier for development teams. And then with that, the adoption for Solana is gonna skyrocket, and so will the price and the number of people that are actually using Solana. So at the moment, right now, going back into our charts here, so Solana sitting at what was it? Solana sitting at 21 with an 8 billion market cap. We do expect in the future to see Solana jump up to be in the top 10, and even more so, we do believe that it can be actually going into the top 5. All right, top 6. So definitely it can reach the same valuation as Cardano, which puts that at 5x potential. So we're gonna see how things are gonna play out for Cardano. So it's gonna we believe deeply that it's gonna go up at least to the top 10, potentially to the top 6. So of course it might replace Cardano. However, nothing is gonna replace Dogecoin. So you see Dogecoin here, nothing is gonna beat that. This is the only thing that's going to the moon. So no Solana, no Bitcoin is gonna compete with the hype that is going on right now with Dogecoin. So with that being said, guys, remember, this is not financial advice. We're not financial advisors, This video is made for entertainment and educational purposes only, and you should always do your own due diligence and research before investing into any asset class. And always remember to diversify your portfolio and take profits whenever you can. So don't be blind. You know, some of the projects are gaining a lot of steam, a lot of momentum, because the people decide about the value of these projects. So at the moment right now, you see Dogecoin going absolutely parabolic to a crazy valuation of 42 billion market cap for a meme cryptocurrency that is just being hyped up by a lot of communities, influencers, and celebrities. So that doesn't mean that Doge cannot rise up. It can rise up. However, what we're trying to bring to you is some projects that actually have some underlying values. Sure, you can have Dogecoin. Dogecoin can reach the top spot. It can replace Bitcoin. It's the market that decides that. If the people want Dogecoin to go all the way up, Dogecoin can go all the way up. However, in the end of the day, you know that Dogecoin is not gonna bring a lot of value other than it's a joke. It's probably fun and accessible to the people. There is nothing underneath it, right? Even the creators of Dogecoin said that themselves, that it's supposed to be just a joke currency, right? But look how times have changed now. Dogecoin sitting at 42 market cap. So if you have some Dogecoins, we'll definitely take some profits. You don't want to take some profits, then you can wait. Maybe it's gonna go up to the moon and replace Bitcoin. But one thing is for sure, that Solana is gonna rise up. It's just a matter of time, and this is actually providing something useful, providing value, and guaranteed to rise up. However, nothing is guaranteed. Like we said, the crypto markets are highly volatile. And with that being said, make sure to always do your own research. However, we strongly believe in this project. That's why we're heavily invested into this project. And so far, we're very happy with the returns. And we do believe in its potential rise to the top 10 coins by market cap. And with that being said, we hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you in the next one. Goodbye.